Fort Lupton 229. Code 229. And I'm pretty far behind the other unit.
I'm right behind you, Vasquez. I'm going to your passenger side. Dispatch Lupton 346, one at gunpoint.
Driver, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands out the window. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put both hands out the window.
Dispatch Lupton 346, we're giving commands. Her hands are out the window at this time.
Open your door. With right hand, open the door. With your right hand, open your door. Come on out. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Put your hands up. Come on out. Come on.
Dispatch Lupton 346, she's out of the vehicle, hands are visible. These bugs. Yep.
Okay. You want to go to this side?
Yeah. Vasquez! Hey!
Lift your hands up. Lift your hands up. Okay? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around! Put your hands up higher. I want you to set your phone down at the edge of your truck. You don't need it. You can leave it on. Come on back. Keep coming back. Keep your hands up. Keep coming back. Keep coming back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Stop right there. Get down on one knee and then the other.
I got cuffs.
Go ahead.
Good? Keep your hands above your head.
Don't move.
What's going on? Why am I being... We'll explain everything in a second.
Can I get
Who
my
else is in
cell
the
phone,
truck?
please? No one else is in the truck, sir. Can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get it for you.
Don't worry
Stand
about
up.
yourself.
Please. Where are you taking me?
We're taking you to the car. Come on.
Why? What?
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, ma'am, but can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get your cell phone in a second. Is there any weapons in the car?
Ready?
No, ma'am, there's nothing on
There's
there.
no weapons in the car? Okay.
Everybody out in the car, come on.
What's going on? Ma'am, what's going on?
I'll tell you in a second. Take a
I'm
seat.
so confused. Can I get
Take a
my
seat.
cell phone?
I will get your cell phone for you. Take a seat.
I got your right shoulder. I see a car seat. Clear. Okay, let's get the bed. Yeah, you drop it, I'll hold it. I'll come across. Clear. Dispatch Lupton 348, vehicle's clear, you can raise the channel.
That's good. It took her a long time to pull over.
I got a holster right here in the passenger seat.
Okay. It took her a very long time to pull over.
I'm going.
Did you see her toss anything?
She could have because it took her a long time to pull over.
I'm going to put my rifle away and I'll come back in a minute.
All right.
She could have because when I was behind her, she was driving slow enough.
Yeah.
So she could have tossed something, but I literally
Tossed it out the window?
She could have out that window, but who is that? Hart?
No, that's time check. Oh, oh my god! Oh my god!
Move your car! Stay back!
Patrol car was just hit by a train. Dispatch up to 346. Did us medical emergent. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
Watch the fence. There may still be a firearm in the vehicle. I don't know if you guys have been through it yet. You got it?
I got a holster here. No, we have not gone through.
We weren't sure if she threw it or if it's still hidden in the vehicle somewhere. It took her a long time to pull over, and Platteville said he did not see anything leave the vehicle.
Right now, I just need to find out who she is so we can deal with that aspect of it. I've got some IDs right here. Who's awake? Okay. You hear that?
No, I didn't hear that.
There's a round over there in the door.
Okay. That's her. You got a date of birth on there?
That's what I was looking for.
I know you know what you're doing. I was just thinking out loud.
I'll let you look at that. I'll keep looking for the other stuff.
Check the center console.
You what?
Check the center console. You think it's in there?
Well, we need to find her ID, so her ID could be in the console. There's your gun.